Text Tools Module Function Introduction. Text Editing 2. Text Scaling. This command is used to scale the selected text proportionally. Click the Text Scaling function. Select the text to be scaled. Enter the magnification factor for the text height. Enter the magnification factor for the text width to height ratio. The program will scale the text according to the entered coefficient value. Text scaling completed. Text slant. This command is used to slant the selected text to the desired angle. Click the Text Slant function. Select the text to be slanted. Enter the angle of the text slant. Text slanting completed. Text rotation. This command is used to rotate the selected text to the desired angle specified by the user. Click the Text Rotation function. Select the text to rotate it. Enter the rotation angle for the text. Text rotation completed. Text alignment. This command is used to align the selected text in left, center, or right alignment. Click the Text Alignment function. Select the text to be aligned. Specify the alignment base point. Select the alignment method, and the program will place the text at the alignment base point according to the chosen alignment method. Text alignment completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.